I bet you didn't know breakfast could be this easy. Let's jazz up your mornings with these 6 irresistible overnight oats recipes. First up, classic berry burst. Start with oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and maple syrup. Mix in your favorite berries and a handful of almonds. Next, we have creamy peanut butter. Just combine oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and honey. Then add peanut butter, banana slices, and dark chocolate chips. Craving something tropical? Try Tropical Paradise. Use coconut milk as the base, along with oats, chia seeds, and maple syrup. Mix in mango, pineapple, shredded coconut, and a squeeze of lime. For the chocolate lovers, we present Chocolate Lover's Dream. Mix oats, almond milk, cocoa powder, and maple syrup. Stir in avocado, chia seeds, and a sprinkle of sea salt. Feeling festive? How about Pumpkin Spice Delight? Combine oats, pumpkin puree, Greek yogurt, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Add chia seeds, pepitas, and a pinch of nutmeg. Finally, for a twist, try chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla extract, and maple syrup. Top with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola. Remember, adjust the liquid for thickness, customize sweetness, and experiment with different milks and yogurt. Let your oats sit overnight in the fridge for the perfect texture. Enjoy your healthy and delicious mornings.